Hi, my name is Luke, and this is how to replace missing drive icons on my computer. If you've lost, deleted, or misplaced a drive icon, there's an easy way to replace it on your desktop. Simply go to the bottom left corner where the start bar is, navigate to Computer, and then find the drive in question that you'd like to make a shortcut to. Right-click on it, and then click Create Shortcut. As you can see, we've now created a drive icon or a shortcut to the C drive on our computer. This also works for flash drives, external hard drives, and network drives that you might have mapped. They will all appear in the same location, my computer, and you can create a shortcut to them in the same way. However, they have to be plugged in or you have to be on the network in order to be able to use them. Your C drive, however, should always be available since it's the hard drive inside your computer. And that's it.